everyone, I'm Siobhan from Mummy Cooks, and I'm delighted to be here at the Weaning Week UK talking about weaning, and especially I love showing you my recipe. So I'm going to show you my vegetable muffins from my new Baby and Family second edition. So vegetable muffins are a lovely finger food for baby. They can substitute a meal, so you can have the vegetable muffins with maybe some hummus. And they're really soft in texture, and most importantly, they're really easy to batch cook. So you want to have lots of different, variety of muffins in your freezer, so you can either give them as a snack or, as I said, as a meal. So to make the vegetable muffins, I'm going to have 230 grams of flour. So this is self-raising flour. As baby gets older, maybe as a toddler, you could substitute a bit of wholemeal flour. And then I'm going to add 130 grams of cheddar cheese. Then I'm going to add my wet ingredients. So I've got 1 egg, which I have just whisked there. And then I have some full-fat cow's milk. So I have 180 mils of full-fat cow's milk. When you're cooking for baby, or even in their cereal, you can add cow's milk from 6 months, and it's a good idea because it means that when baby is a toddler and they go on to drinking cow's milk, they have already got used to the taste. And then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Just give that a mix. And I'm going to prepare my vegetables. So in this, I'm going to add carrot, I'm going to add courgette, and some spinach and some sweet corn, so lots of veggies. So if you have maybe a picky toddler or someone in the house that doesn't love their vegetables, this is a great one as well to get in. So the best way to do it is to grate. So now that that's grated, I'm going to give it a nice little chop. A lot of the mistakes when making a muffin is now where people assume that's too much texture for the baby, so they blend it. If we blend it, there'll be too much liquid and it won't cook as well. So I'm just going to add the spinach here because I want it all nicely chopped. Now, so mix my dry ingredients, make a well in the middle, and add my wet ingredients. So I've got my oil, my egg, and my milk. And then I'm going to add in my vegetables. Then 3 tablespoons of sweet corn. And then you're going to give that a big mix. It will still look dry, but it's perfect texture because when it starts to cook, some of the moisture comes out. It's so simple, and it's not something that you have to be a fantastic baker or anything to make muffins. They are so simple to make. Into your silicone muffin tray. So I use a silicone muffin tray because it's so much easier to get it in and out. So I don't have to grease it, and I don't have to sort of get a pliers to take it out, so it's much better. So this is a silicone muffin tray, and then you're going to fill it up to the top. I'm going to pop it into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now, the best way to do this is put it in for 20. If it's too brown on the top, then you're going to put some tin foil on top to prevent it from burning. So here are my delicious vegetable muffins. As I said, this with soup is absolutely divine, but really lovely for finger food for a baby or as a snack for maybe an older child. So yeah, so you take them out of your silicone muffin tray and then just let them cool down on a wire rack here. And then you place them into a ziploc bag and then into the freezer, and then just take them out, defrost in the fridge overnight, heat through and then offer to baby. Or alternatively, if you've forgotten to do that, you can put them into the microwave to defrost. So I'm just going to cut down through this here and show you the texture. So it's really nice, really soft, and baby can have it in their hand and bring it up to their mouth. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy that. The recipe is from my Baby and Family recipe book, out now on mummycooks.com. Thank you.